let's welcome on board CA Rudramurthy as well as Kunal, both try and find out what they're penciling in. Kunal, what are we staring at today?
Yeah, I think finally some resumption of confidence and positive sentiment for the market. So not just the Nifty breaking past about the 23,000 mark. I think there's slew of factors which have improved significantly for the markets. The confidence coming back, with the drop in or with a major drop in the CBOE VIX falling below the 35 mark. I think for 2 days now, out of the last 3 days, we've closed below the 35 levels. That's a indication or a strong indication that we are looking at the markets being a lot more stable. We've seen most of the global markets also recovering quite well and then forming a base. So I believe that's also another positive sign. Our data has also been suggesting over the last 3-4 days that there's been unwinding of positions on the index future side, both on the Nifty as well as on the Bank Nifty. And then us forming a base of that double bottom support at 21,700, 22,000 mark for the index. So all of that indicates that we are now looking at a stable trajectory on the upside. We should now be, I think, looking out for a retest of the previous highs of 23,800 broadly over the next 1 to 2 weeks.
Rudra, hi, morning. Metals, IT, they've been the most beaten down. Do you think the short covering is going to be led by these sectors, or would it continue to be domestic facing ones?
Very good morning, and yes, I do believe this market move on the upside will stay, and definitely you will have some amount of short covering in IT and metals, which were definitely beaten down because of tariff worries. But now you will also see short covering more happening there. But one has to be very stock specific if you have to buy into IT or for that matter even metals. But I will still be playing a safe bet where it is better to still stay with either private banks or even for that matter PSU banks are relatively better to me, or look at even OMCs, insurance company, NBFCs. These are far better to me, or even for that matter FMCG, consumer discretionary, to be very specific there. So these are sectors and stocks which I will prefer. But if you are a very short-term trader, yes, more short covering will definitely come in metals and IT, which are more beaten down because of the tariff worries.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.